Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing out a snack that is especially interesting if you enjoy making popcorn at home. This is Active Instant Popcorn in cheese flavor. The pack says 3-minute hot and fresh popcorn. So the idea is quite simple. Instead of buying ready-made popcorn, you get the popcorn kernel along with the oil and seasoning already prepared in the packet contains 70 gram and the MRP of this pack is rupees 50. But before we talk about the taste, ingredient and nutrition, let's open the packet and see exactly what we get. If you are planning to buy it online, I have kept the Amazon link in the description so you can check the product and its current price. Let's open it. Okay friends, now the packet has been opened. I'm going to show you the content. So this is what you get inside. You can see the popcorn kernel along with the seasoning and oil coating. This isn't ready to eat popcorn. It is ready to cook popcorn product. So you need to prepare it before eating. I'm not going to cook, but I will exactly tell what the packet tells us to do. According to the instruction, you need to empty the entire content of the packet in a deep, thick bottom pan or pressure cooker. The packet specifically says that to use the entire pack at once because partial use may result in uneven popping. Then you are supposed to cover the utensil with an inverted lid. But importantly, you are told to leave a small gap facing away from you so that the steam can escape. After that, you cook in a medium flame. As the kernels start popping, you are instructed to shake the utensils. And you continue cooking until the popping slows down to around 1 to 2 seconds between pops. Once the popping is finished, the instructions say to empty the utensil immediately, and that's it. The packet claims you can have hot and fresh popcorn in about 3 minutes. So the preparation itself sounds quite straightforward. The advantage here is that you don't have to separately measure popcorn kernels, cooking oil, salt, and cheese seasoning. The ingredients are already combined for you. Now let's look at the product before cooking. The main ingredient of the popping corn, which makes 66% of the product. Then we have refined edible palm oil, which contains the antioxidant TBHQ. After that comes iodized salt. Then there is a nature identical flavor cheese, natural flavor, oleorestin paprika, processed cheddar cheese powder at 0.08% and maltodextrin so that the complete ingredient list is exactly as printed on the packet. There's also an allergen information which is mentioned. The packet say contain milk and its products. That's important information for anyone who has a milk allergy or intolerance. Now, one thing that caught my attention is the amount of actual processed cheddar cheese powder. It is listed at 0.08%. So, although this is called cheese flavor popcorn, we shouldn't assume that the product contains a large quantity of actual cheddar cheese. The cheese taste is primarily coming from the flavoring formulation, and that's something I will keep in mind when judging the taste. Now let's move on to the nutrition because this is where the review gets more interesting. The serving size is 16 gram and the packets say there are 4 serving per pack. For 16 gram serving, you get 84.3 calorie, 1.3 gram of protein and 9.3 gram of carbohydrate. Total sugar are 0 gram and added sugar also 0 gram. Dietary fiber is 1.3 gram. Total fat is 5 gram per serving. Saturated fat is 2.2 grams. Mono unsaturated fat is 1.9 gram and poly unsaturated fat is 0.08 gram. Trans fat is 0 gram. Cholesterol is less than 0.1 milligram per serving and sodium is 128 milligram per serving. So while the product does not contain added sugar, it isn't a low fat snack. And if you eat the entire 70 gram pack, these numbers obviously add up. That's something we will calculate properly in the next section. We will also look at whether the rupees 50 makes sense, what I like about this popcorn, what I don't like, and whether I think is actually worth buying. So let's go into the complete nutrition breakdown and final verdict. Now let's get into the nutrition because this is where we can really understand what we are getting from this packet. The serving size mentioned on the pack is 16 gram and the packet says there are about 4 serving pack. So the nutrition numbers we are going to discuss first are for one 16 gram serving. For every 16 gram serving, Active Instant Popcorn Cheese flavor provide 84.3 calorie, protein that is 1.3 grams, carbohydrate that is 9.3 grams, total sugar are 0 gram, added sugar also 0 gram, dietary fiber is 1.3 gram. Now let's look at the fat. The total fat is 5 gram per serving. Out of this, saturated fatty acid are 2.2 grams. Monounsaturated fatty acid are 1.9 gram, while poly fatty acid are 0.8 gram. Trans fat is listed as 0 gram. Cholesterol is less than 0.1 milligram per serving and sodium is 128 milligram per serving, which the packet lists as 6.4% of the RDA per serving. The RDA percentage is based on 2000 calorie daily energy requirement for an average adult. Now let's look at what happens when you eat the whole 70-gram packet. Because the serving size is 16 gram, the packet is actually a little more than 4 serving. Based on the per serving numbers, the entire pack works out to approx 369.5 calories. That's about 5.7 gram of protein, 40.7 gram of carbohydrate, and approx 21.9 gram of total fat. Of that, saturated fat will be around 9.6 gram, dietary fiber will be across 5.7 gram, total sugar remains 0 gram, and added sugar remains 0 gram. Trans fat is 0 gram, while cholesterol will be less than approx 0.44 milligram. Sodium work out to be around 560 milligram for the full packet. So this is something to keep in mind. The packet may look like a relatively small snack, but if you finish the entire pack yourself, you're consuming considerably more than one serving, and that's one of the easiest things to overlook with the packaged snack. Now let's talk about the taste. Since this is a cheese flavor version, the main expectation is obviously the cheesy, savory popcorn taste. The flavor profile is designed to be salty and cheesy, with the paprika derived natural flavor adding to the overall sizzling. If you enjoy cheese flavor snack, this is the type of flavor combination you are likely to enjoy. But I will describe it as a cheese flavor popcorn rather than popcorn made primarily with real cheese. That's because the packet lists processed cheddar cheese powder at just 0.08%. So the cheesy experience comes mainly from the flavor formulation, and honestly that's not unusual for a flavored packaged snack. Now let's talk about the good points. The first is convenience. Everything you need to make the popcorn is already included in the packet. You don't need to buy separate kernel, oil, salt and seasoning. Second, the preparation instructions are simple. The packet says you can have hot and fresh popcorn in approx 3 minutes provided you follow the cooking instruction. Third, there's no added sugar according to nutritional panel. The product also lists zero trans fat. Another advantage is that you get fun experience of popping the popcorn yourself rather than simply opening a packet of ready-made popcorn. And because it is a cheese flavor variety, it can work particularly well for a movie night or an occasional evening snack. But now let's talk about the con. The first thing I mentioned is the fat content. At 5 gram of total fat per 16 gram serving, it can add up quickly. The saturated fat is also 2.2 gram per serving, which means that eating the complete packet will bring the total to roughly 9.6 gram based on the printed value. The second point is sodium. At 128 milligram per serving, the entire pack comes to extra 560 milligram. So again, portion size matter. Another thing to keep in mind is the use of refined edible palm oil, and the product contain TBHQ as an antioxidant. Whether that is concern for you depend on your own dietary preferences, but it is useful to know what actually in the product rather than judging it only by the front packaging. And finally, if you are expecting a popcorn made with a substantial amount of real cheddar cheese, that's not what the ingredient list suggests. The product is mainly a cheese flavored instant popcorn. Now let's talk about the price. The MRP is rupees 50 for 70 gram inclusive of all taxes. The unit sale price printed on the packet is rupees 0.71 per gram. The manufacturing date on this particular packet is 25 December 2025 and use by date is 24 August 2026. The batch number is also mentioned clearly on this packet. So is it worth rupees 50? For me, the answer depends on what you are buying it for. If you are looking for a quick and convenient popcorn option for an occasional movie night, I think the concept is quite good. You get the kernel, oil and seasoning together, and the preparation does not require much effort. The cheese flavor also make it more interesting than plain popcorn. But I wouldn't describe it as a health-focused snack. The calorie, total fat, saturated fat, and sodium are all the things worth keeping in mind, especially if you are eating the entire pack. And because the packet contains multiple serving, portion control becomes important. So my final verdict is Actu Instant Popcorn Cheese Flavor is a convenient and enjoyable option for an occasional snack, especially if you like cheesy popcorn. At rupees 50 for 70 grams, the convenience is definitely one of its biggest advantages, but I will treat it as an occasional snack rather than something to eat every day. If you have tried the Actu cheese popcorn, let me know in the comments. Do you prefer cheese popcorn, salted popcorn, or another flavor? And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more honest product review and taste tests. If you are planning to buy the product online, I also kept the Amazon link in the description so you can check the product and current availability. And before you go, check out the video on your screen for another product review. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye friends.